everyone. Welcome to today's Dutch lesson. Today, we will learn how to tell the time in Dutch. Telling time is very practical and easy once you know the pattern. Let's begin with our main question. Hoe laat is het? What time is it? You can ask this any time you want to know the time. Hoe laat is het nu? What time is it now? Great! Now let's learn how to answer. To express full hours, we use the word uur. Uur means hour or o'clock. Het is 1 uur. It is 1 o'clock. Notice how we say het is before the number.
Het is 2 uur. It is 2 o'clock. Let's try another full hour. Het is 3 uur. It is 3 o'clock. And another one. Het is 4 uur. It is 4 o'clock. Let's practice 5 o'clock. Het is 5 uur. It is 5 o'clock. Now, let's look at half hours. In Dutch, half means half hour before the next hour. This is very important to remember. So, half twee means half an hour before 2, which is 1:30. Het is half twee. It is 1:30.
Let's try another half-hour example. It is 2:30. It is 2:30. Remember, 2:30 means halfway to 3. It is 3:30. It is 3:30. Let's do one more half hour. It is 4:30. It is 4:30. Now let's move to quarter past an hour. We use the expression kwart over. Kwart over means quarter past. It is 1:15. It is 1:15. Let's practice 2:15. It is 2:15. It is 2:15.
And 3:15. Het is 3:15. It is 3:15. Next, let's learn how to say 2:45. We use the expression kwart voor. Kwart voor means 1:45. Het is 1:15. It is 1:45. Let's try 1:45. Het is 1:45. It is 1:45. And 2:45. Het is 2:45. It is 2:45. Let's talk about being early or late. The word for late in Dutch is laat. Ik ben te laat. I am too late. The word for early in Dutch is vroeg. Jij bent heel vroeg. You are very early. Let's combine what we learned in practical sentences. De trein komt om 8 uur. The train comes at 8 o'clock. Notice the word which means at for time. We eten om 6:30. We eat at 6:30. Let's do a quick recap of today's key words. Vandaag leerden we hoe laat is het? Uur, half, kwart over en kwart voor. You did a fantastic job today. Tot de volgende keer. Until next time.